Searching for a 2008 Holden Commodore. You can be accelerating down the highway in this excellent vehicle with a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.